everybody, welcome back to Imperial. I'm here with Jamie, and this week we are talking about a campground unit, which is something we've never featured before. Want to tell us something about it?
This is a 1,500 gallon steel tank, primarily set up for campground use, so it is going to be PTO driven. We've got a 3-inch intake and a 6-inch discharge, so your intake is over here. We do have it reduced down to 2 for a 2-inch hose, so you can run it with 2 or 3-inch. You have your sea level right over there. This does do vacuum and pressure, so you can pressure offload. You've got your vacuum and pressure release valves there. 20-inch manway on the top. Right here is where your hose would hang. We do have a hose that will come with this, but we don't have it on right now, so your hose will come here. And here is your placement for the wand, because it does have a wand on the end. This one does have the independent walking beam to help with a smoother ride. Got your safety triangle on the back. You have your vacuum and pressure gauge up at the top.
It comes with the PTO drive shaft?
The drive shaft.
Nice.
Does include that. 5,000 pound jack. Got your little sight glass here. It does have the Moro PM60 pump. It is a 1,000 RPM pump, 254 CFM. So this would be used for pumping out either, you could potentially use it for some RV holding tanks underneath. If you have larger campgrounds where you have anything where there's a holding tank that you would need to pump it out. Can be used for other applications. It is a single compartment only, so you do not have any freshwater capabilities on this unit. It's a pretty basic unit, but it is a large unit. It's got enough here so that you could pump a lot.
If anyone is interested in getting your hands on this unit, give Jamie a call, 1-800-558-2945. If you have any other questions, you can always visit our website, septictruckcenter.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put out videos every week, and we update our Facebook daily. Thanks.